Chapter 1, pay attention. Chapter 1, pay attention. I look the world in the eye like death is my shadow. If you're feeling froggy, leap, but you are just a tap for Armageddon on my mind. And I think I won a battle. Angel wings on my back, I'm flyer than Seattle. A halo on my head, I raised from the dead, but I ain't looking back in time. I'm just trying to stay ahead. Hell's up on earth, that's why I go to bed. But Freddy Krueger in my sleep, so I'm having nightmares. That's why I pray to the sky, the angels never die. I got a lot of hopes and dreams, but I'm just trying to stay alive. A fantasy is fantasy, fiction description, but this is real talk. Want you people pay attention. And the cost cheap. I practice what I preach, so there is no cost to me. But it's a real big world, and they all lost in me. But everywhere I go, I'm blessed like a car or a sneeze. We all God's children, you heard it from me first, like the words of a pilgrim. And this is first supper, I'm crunching on you suckers. Take from them everything, give to them nothing. 300, no discussion, leave them with concussions. Futuristic swaggerly and nice with a musket. I'm bustin', I'm feeling like fuck it. Bullet in your head, boy, you had to think of something. Yeah, and can't nobody fuck with me. I'm a new moon, Twilight series, all black Ferrari, so you niggas feel my fury. But I can't be judged, even by a jury. I said it loud and clearly, Lord please forgive me. I know I sinned a lot, but it was never intentionally. Look in your eyes, see the back of your heart, and I noticed it was black from the start. I'm from the belly of the beast, where everybody want a piece of a part. My platoon full of goons, and we all on the march towards Mars, just trying to get by. Say bye to the low and hello to the sky. Life is chapter 1, pay attention, now listen. Why I ain't got no hook for this shit. It's chapter 1, pay attention, now listen. Oh no, I ain't got no hook for this shit. It's chapter 1, pay attention, now listen. Why I ain't got no hook for this shit.